Hello YouTube land. It's Sunday morning. I'm going to church. Nature is my religion. The earth is my temple. Since my last video at Prophetstown 2 weeks ago, we have been under an Arctic freeze. Nothing but below zero temps. This morning it is 18 degrees. That is 33 degrees warmer than it was yesterday morning. So, time to get out and chase some frozen waterfalls. We are at Williamsport Falls here in Williamsport, Indiana, site of Indiana's highest free-falling waterfall. Unfortunately, Williamsport Falls is frozen shut. It's dry. I can still hear water trickling, and you obviously can see the ice formations. Well, as cool as that is, we have more waterfalls to chase. My next stop on our frozen waterfalls tour today is Cataract Falls. It is Indiana's largest by volume waterfall. And as you can see, it's got a flow. There are two sections of the falls here, the upper and lower falls, and we are at the upper section. Moved along from the upper falls. As impressive as it was, I really wanted to see these lower falls. Everything that the Williamsport Falls didn't have, Cataract Falls here more than made up for it. That's some awesome stuff. I think I've got one more waterfall to chase. Alright, I am at McCormick's Creek State Park. This is Indiana's oldest state park, the very first one. And it's also got one of Indiana's best waterfalls. It's not the tallest, it's not the most volume by any means, but it's definitely one of the most scenic. We're going through the ice. I'm loving these crampons. It's a pretty serious ice formation, huh? Well, there you have it, folks. 3 of Indiana's most scenic waterfalls. Frozen. Today has got perfect temperatures to get out and explore and adventure.